I'm Heston.
I'm Jack.
This is Jack's monster truck, mini truck, mud truck thing. We're gonna go test it out. It's not perfect, but it runs better than it did. I literally stopped the filming as it died. But it died. So we'll have to take a look at it, see what's going on here. It might be something dumb, but...
It's the middle of it. Oh, yeah. There it is.
Ah! Battery cable. Gonna have to redesign it a little bit. So the battery cable got a little warm, but we're hoping we're good. We didn't short nothing out. I don't know. Should be all right.
Shouldn't touch nothing.
I don't know. Fire this thing back up, see what happens. Well, juice. We got power. We got a fuel pump. Yeah, we're good. So a little bit about what's going on here is we had a Cam 5.3. The block was cracked. I guess I wasn't there, but Jack said he was cracked, and I believe him. And then we had a 4.8 laying around, and we didn't tune nothing, but it's running pretty good. And I think
it's running better than what it did. I mean, still top end dies out a little bit,
but I think as it builds the map, as he drives it, it'll calculate just enough to run this thing pretty good.
I'm hoping so.
If not, we'll get a tuner on it and iron everything out. You can feel it squat as soon as you touch it. Try to go here, get up there, turn around over there.
I'm gonna go that way.
We're gonna go that way first. Hey, we're on top of it. Captain Jack Sparrow, I swear.
I'm so happy. Oh my God.
Where no mud truck has gone before, let me tell you. We did fall through on the way in, but it wasn't that bad. It's pretty shallow around here. Oh boy. Jack's Wildlife and Mud Truck Service. We just rescued this minnow, and now we're gonna set him free. Go, little guy, go. Why ain't he going? There he goes. There he goes.